In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror your camera on Discord. If you've ever opened your camera on Discord and felt like something looked a little off, it's probably because the image isn't mirrored the way you're used to seeing yourself, like in a selfie or a front-facing phone camera. While Discord doesn't have a simple mirror button built in, there are a couple of reliable ways to get that mirrored effect, so what you see on your screen looks more natural to you. First, let's quickly clarify what mirroring means. When your camera is mirrored, it flips the image horizontally. So when you raise your right hand, it appears on the right side of the screen from your perspective. This doesn't usually affect how others see you in a call if you're using third-party tools. It just changes how the camera feed is processed before Discord receives it. This can make it feel more intuitive when you're adjusting your hair, showing something on screen, or just looking at yourself while you talk. Since Discord doesn't offer a native mirror toggle, the most common solution is to use virtual camera software or your webcam's own settings. Many popular webcam apps and drivers include an option called Flip Horizontally, Mirror Image, or Reverse. To find this, open the configuration software that came with your camera. Look for a Settings or Video tab, and then check for any option related to flipping or mirroring the image. Turn that on. Then go back into Discord and select that same camera as your video input. When you start a video call or open your camera preview, you should now see a mirrored version of yourself. If your webcam software doesn't provide that option, you can use a virtual camera tool. These programs sit between your physical camera and Discord. You open the tool, select your real camera inside it, apply a horizontal flip, and then choose the virtual camera as your device in Discord's voice and video settings. Once that's set up, open a test call or join a private channel. Turn on your video and confirm that the image looks mirrored to you. Take a moment to move your hands or tilt your head and make sure everything feels natural. If it doesn't, simply go back into your camera or virtual camera settings and toggle the flip off or on until you're happy with the result.